July 4th, no-bake banana pudding recipe. Ingredients: 1 bunch bananas, 1 12-ounce box vanilla wafers, 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk, 1 16-ounce container Cool Whip thawed, 1 5-ounce box instant vanilla pudding prepared as pie filling. Directions: 1. Make pudding according to directions on box for pie filling, but do not let set. Mix in Cool Whip and Eagle brand milk. 2. Slice bananas into desired thickness. 3. In a large bowl, starting with pudding mixture, layer pudding, then vanilla wafers, then bananas. Repeat until all pudding mixture is used and top with vanilla wafers. 4. Cover and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours or until mixture is set. Enjoy! 5. Please see first video comment for the detailed recipe.